So I got so excited when I came home from an appointment and I saw Boxycharm was here. I got this from, is it Black? I think I received something from this brand. This is the Hydrate Primer, vegan friendly, cruelty free, 67 ounce, made in the UK. This is definitely going for a giveaway. I'm just giving you like a heads up, there's definitely a giveaway happening soon on my channel, so make sure you subscribe, you have your notifications on. It's another reason why I don't really want to open it, because it's going to a giveaway. So this one retails for $20. It says is finally a moisturizer that helps your makeup lasts longer. The Hydrate Primer will make your skin feel soft, hydrated, and ready for your base. So ready for your base, I guess, is good to wear under makeup. I guess if you don't wear makeup, you can put it as well for hydration. So that's pretty interesting. Alright, the next item I got, look at this, lashes. I think the last time I received lashes was from Glamnetic, also a Boxycharm. So this one, Monarch Lash Pack. This is also going for a giveaway, and look, it even brings like the applicator, which is really cool. They look dramatic, but not too much. I guess like in the middle. I would even say still more on the light side. I like my lashes more dramatic. So this says flirtatious looks. Lashes were designed to empower your inner flirt, regardless of which personality is coming out to play. In PRC, cruelty free. Okay, that's cool. So, this baby girl is an angled lash, perfect for achieving the iconic cat eye effect. Oh, that's really cool. I love a cat eye. So you see it's two different pairs. This one is the one that's like cat eye because it's more full in the end. So that's pretty cool. You got two different styles to play with. So yeah, that's going to a giveaway. And I did open this before because I'm using one hand here to show you, so I will just show you the packaging. Sorry I messed it up here, but it was so hard for me to open. I hope you guys don't mind, and I'm saying that because it's also going for a giveaway. This is from Touch and Soul, 35 ounce. Hashtag Glowdient. Let me just show you what it looks like. Beautiful. I never have tried anything from Touch and Soul. It's made in Taiwan. How pretty that is. Just stay looking at that while I read this to you. Okay, this retails for $34. It says it's a new launch, multi-face palette with gorgeous radiant shades that uses your own natural beauty to glisten, bronze, and add the perfect flirty flush. So going for a giveaway, really nice packaging, full size too. Right, so I'll make sure to put that back carefully with this film here. Next I got this. This is the only thing I'm gonna keep, okay? This is from Glam Glow. I think I also received something from Glam Glow in Ipsy, the Ipsy bag. I don't know if you saw that unboxing, but I just did the Ipsy unbagging as well. Some things from there are also going for the giveaway, so I have to combine both. Alright, so this is the Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. And it seems like it'll be good for my skin type. I'm super oily, acne prone. And this says it's oil fighting, mattifying, clarifying. This is a 5 ounce. Alright, so let me read what it says. An advanced cleanser with a powerful blend of 3 charcoals to detoxify skin by removing pore clogging, debris, excess oil, and face makeup. So of course I want to try this. I'm obsessed when they send me anything for oily skin. This is $32. Of course I will give you an update of how this is working for me. Do I recommend? I really like charcoal. I have this here. Look at her. She looks so bad. Alright, this is hashtag Give Them Lala Beauty. Never ever heard of this, but I love that picture. So you're getting 2 palettes this month. How exciting is that? Look at this. So it says the Grown Woman palette. Oh, excuse me. Made in China. It says it's cruelty free. Open it up. Oh, look at that. Can you see this well? I know. Okay. Look at that. Look at those colors. Do you like it? It looks pretty warm. Like an everyday palette. Not my type. So that's going for a giveaway. Surprise, surprise. It looks beautiful, but just warm colors, I don't feel like it suits me too much. Do I have some palettes that are warm? Yeah, but I usually gravitate towards cool tone. Alright, so this says, give them Lala, the grown woman palette. Say hello to a gorgeous eye palette full of earthy sunset color, mattes and foiled shadows. I love that. You always want like a mixture. Unless you just like just mattes, just foils, then okay. But I like both. Includes 9 highly pigmented shadows that feel buttery soft and silky to the touch. These perfectly blended shades effortlessly glide across the eye for long-lasting jaw-dropping looks every time. Retails for $42. So I'm really excited. I haven't done a giveaway in I guess a couple of months. I usually do them more often than that. The only thing I'm keeping is this. Really exciting. Just $25, and I mean, look at these prices. Just look at that. You have over like $150 worth of products here. Have I had better boxes? Yes. I mean, I love that they sent 2 different palettes. That's a plus right there. Just the colors weren't perfect for me, but that's why I have you guys to treat you and to thank you for all your support all the time. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you received it. What did you get? Did you like this month's box? Alright, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.